like what we call exposure therapy. Put yourself in the situation where you feel you're insecure in. So, or is very related is like you got to try enough number of times. Um, about like even if you want to fall in love, you got to try enough number of times to find that one person. As a man, sometimes people say, "Bro, I tried your techniques. Spoke to one girl, usne mana kar diya." I was like, "How many times did you try?" He's like, "Once." I was like, "Once is nothing, dude. Like, we have a drill where it's like in 20 minutes you talk to 6 people, and you do that repeatedly again and again." So in my life, I've spoken to 10,000 people, and naturally, I've been rejected thousands of times, but it's not even rejection. It's just me trying to learn something and trying to get better at it. If you can get out of it, you can put your ego down, and then you're free to do a lot of things in life.
You're making it sound like a personal development course that one has to go through. And I think that's what it is. That's what relationships really are, because the way they make you come in awareness of your own deep within whatever is internal and whatever is external. If you're not successful enough in the outer world, if you're not whatever enough in the outer world, all of that you come to absolute, you see them very, very up close and you navigate through them. So I
Yeah.
think that personal development and
Yeah.
personal growth
100%.
also comes into the space of making yourself, what should be the word, candidate for for attracting the right person or something like that. There are two conversations here. One
Yeah.
is confidence,
Yeah.
where you're accepting yourself fully.
Yeah.
But while doing that, there are also certain parts of you that genuinely do need the work.
Yeah.
But how does one understand
Yeah.
that this is confidence, but confidence is not
Yeah.
arrogance,
That's a nice question.
you know?
So you accept your best self. You don't accept yourself. So if I've never dated a girl, I'm scared to talk to girls, I'm insecure, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैं जिम नहीं जा रहा हूँ. Oh, I accept myself fully. I'm going to be thin or I'm going to be obese. I'm going to stay poor. I'm not going to care about anything. I've got anger issues, वो रखूंगा. But is that really your best self? That does need work. अब उसमें when you get into the work, there is a point where you need to stop as well, because वो ट्रैप में लोग फंस जाते हैं. ठीक है, बॉडी बनानी है, बट कितना ही बॉडी बनाओगे तुम? दिन में पूरे टाइम बॉडी बनाओगे, स्टेरॉइड्स लेने लग जाओगे. पैसे कमाने हैं, बट कितने लेवल पे पैसे कमाओगे? क्या तुम किसी को चीट करके पैसे कमाना चाहते हो? Then there's confidence. You want to get good with girls, but is that the only thing you want to do? What about taking care of your family and other things? So of course you want to get on that journey, but at the same time you want to get out of it as well. So sort of acceptance needs to work with self-improvement, and then at a point in time you need to be like, okay, fine, this is my goal. So if you have a goal in mind, I think that's great.